Hi Caitlin, this is Stephanie. Thanks so much for commenting on my post on Facebook. In this video, I'm basically going to compare your website to top 2 competitors in your area. We're going to look at the front end and also the back end. So with the front end, we're going to be looking at content and citations, and the back end will be the backlinks. So to go over content, Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage, and we see that yours really doesn't have any content, so you definitely want to get more added. Checking out Westheimer, they don't have a whole lot of content. They have a lot of nice photos that do link to back pages, which is good, but content is pretty low on their page, and same thing with More Supply Company. So that's very, very beautiful. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So I went ahead and Google searched Kitchen and Bath Showrooms Houston because I wasn't exactly sure if you had a physical showroom or not. If not, we can change the search. It's no big deal. But for this video, we'll just go with this. So when we search for that keyword, we see the map pack here, and then we see the organic section here. And citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp, White Pages, and even Facebook has a spot for a citation. It's important that when you do your citations or when you have them done, that they are exact across the board. So if you have a comma or an ampersand or anything in the name, it needs to be exact. So the tool I like to use for that is called whitespark.ca. We see that Westheimer has 74 citations and Ferguson has 68. So what I always recommend is just to get 200 to 300 to beat your competition by a landslide. Moving on to the organic section, how we're going to rank here is with backlinks. And a backlink, simply put, is just one site pointing to another site. And the tool I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we're looking at Westheimer, we see they have 184 referring domains, giving them 816 backlinks. More Supply has 195 referring domains, giving them over 1,200 backlinks. And yours doesn't have any referring domains and any backlinks, so you definitely want to get that fixed. Just to dive into volume, so let's check out some keywords here so you can see just how much traffic there is. So again, I'm not sure if you have a physical showroom or not. If not, it's okay. But Kitchen and Bath Showroom, well, that's national. Skip that. Bathroom Vanities Houston, if you sell those, there's 200 people a month searching for that. Bathtubs Houston, there's 150. Lux, well, that's national. Door Hardware, there's 100 searches for that. Kitchen Sinks Houston, 80 searches for that. Bathroom Fixtures Houston, 70 searches for that. So Bathroom Mirrors Houston, 60 searches. So you can see there's hundreds of searches for different keywords that you're not being found for. We see right here you have no keywords on your website. So you definitely want to get that fixed. So just to do a recap for you, you want to get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content added to your homepage. Get a Google My Business listing created, get it fully optimized with photos and a keyword-rich description along with 200 to 300 citations. And you want to get relative backlinks pointing back to your website. That's all I have for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great one.